Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. This is Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. I can't wait to bring you this video. I am in love with the Rocky Edge tray mold and the matching Rocky Edge coasters. How adorable are these? I love them so much. Beautiful quality, producing these beautiful results. I can't wait to show you guys how I made these. So we are gonna hop right into the video here, the tutorial. So as always, everything that I use is from Dryer Days Art Studio. You can find everything linked in the video description. The only thing that is not from my store are these gorgeous marker pens that you see here. Those are from Michaels. And I actually started off with the ones you see me using here. I decided it wasn't quite the hue that I wanted, so I came in with some of my handy dandy baby wipes, and I'm going to wipe it off here. And I'm actually going to come in with a different gold metallic marker, again from Michaels. And yeah, it just comes off really nicely. You can see the beautiful quality of this mold, nice clear see-through. I love the Rocky Edge detailing on these. I think it really adds to that geode look. And they're just fantastic. And on right now in my store, I'm kind of having a little secret sale on the molds. I'm not telling everybody about it, but if you use all capital letters molds 40, get 40% off all my molds in my store. And also right now I'm having a super sale on mica pigment. All of my mica pigments right now are on sale, 40% off. You don't need a code for that. It's automatically discounted at checkout. So head over to dryerdaysartstudio.com. Stock up on your molds and your mica, and I will get these out to you ASAP. So just showing here that we're going to do the same exact thing around all the edges of the coaster molds as well. I wanted these to be really elegant and simple. I wanted them just to be black and gold and super sparkly, and I think we achieved that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys like these coasters and this tray. I just find this so satisfying doing this with the marker. I don't know why. I just love this part. I'll just put a podcast on and this is like my zone out time when I kind of let my brain rest, but it's also being creative and functioning and doing stuff. So I'm going to continue to do this on all 4 of the coasters, and we'll finish doing this on the tray as well. All right, so now that is all done, and I'm going to do a layer here of clear resin. I am using Total Boats resin for this. I'm just going to get a nice layer here around the entire surface of this mold here. I'm not going to worry about touching the gold just yet. It's okay if some of the clear gets up on that gold, but I'm not really worried about it. I know I'm going to fill this entire mold out. Moving this all around, getting it totally covered, and then of course we're going to hit with some heat to get rid of any bubbles. I try to share this in every video, and I have a little warning on all of my mold listings in my store. Please do not use a torch or flame with any of your molds, not just mine, any of them. You might get away with it for a time or two, and then have that one time where it melts your mold and you tear your mold demolding it from the resin, and then it's totally ruined forever. So I just use a heat gun. I mean, your resin should be warm enough and quality enough that you're not needing to even use a torch with these. So I want to share what I'm using here. Gorgeous, gorgeous gold mine chunks in the center, and then sprinkling on a little bit of my gold biodegradable fine and chunky glitter in the center here. You can already see that beautiful sparkle as it's moving out here. So gorgeous. Oh God, I love the gold mine and the gold cuttings, the little stones. They are great for some texture. And now I'm going to come in with some of the black color cream mixed with my resin. Now I'm actually sold out of the black color cream right now. I do plan on getting more, but if you want to get a nice black, I do have the black mica pigment. And I also have black pearl, which is not matte. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it. But as I said before, my micas are all on sale right now. That gold sparkly one that I just used is my light gold shimmer pigment. I have plenty of that in stock, and that is a mica, so that's on sale. And then here I am using some of my gold metallic color cream. And that is a color cream, so those aren't on sale right now, but I do have that in stock. The black, however, is sold out right now. If you're watching this and it's not current, I may have more, so just head over there and check it out anyway. I'll link it in the video description. But as of recording this right now, I did just sell it out. So I'll be working on getting more in for you guys. I know you guys like the black. It's a beautiful matte, opaque. And here you can see I'm using my heat gun and really using that heat on high actually to move those colors around and really marry them. With my gold metallic colors, they will sell and lace up with enough heat and with rubbing alcohol. And I really wanted you to see some lacing on the other side of this. I wanted this to be totally opaque, so I'm really laying in the pigmented resin here so we don't have any clear showing through. And I did this off camera, you won't see me doing this, but after this first layer here cures, I am going to come back in about a day and do one layer of just the black to fill out the rest of this mold. So when you see me demold this and it's completely black on this side, it's because I did do a second layer of just black on this tray. All right, now of course we have to do the gorgeous little coasters. And I'm sorry if you guys can hear the landscapers outside. And they've been here for like hours. I've been trying to get this recording done and they're just really still going out there. And I wanted to get this going, get this done for you guys this week. So I hope you can't hear them in the background. I'll try to put a little music on over it so hopefully you're not hearing them just mowing and leaf blowing and stuff out here. I apologize about that. It's really hard to find the perfect conditions to do a voiceover. But here we are. So I've done again a clear layer first, just like I did with the tray. We're going to heat and pop any of those bubbles. We're going to really follow along the same sort of technique and process that I did on the tray, just in mini versions here. So again, starting in the middle with some of the gold mine, gold cuttings mixture here of the little chunks. And I will use, again, the fine and chunky mixture of the gold biodegradable glitter. And kind of sprinkling that on top of the chunks and just around them. I'm going to use a silicone brush, which these silicone brushes are also available in my store. And I do prefer to use the silicone brushes when I'm using my silicone molds, just so that we don't scuff the surface or anything of the mold. And here I'm going to come in again with my black and just try to follow the same pattern. And because that black was moving really quickly and starting to take over, I did want to come in really quickly working one-on-one. Sometimes I'll come through with the black first and go through all four, but I was doing each of these sort of individually because you can see there the black just taking over, and I wanted to make sure we were going to see the rest of the pigments through there. So then I kind of changed my technique on these, like, well, I better put a little bit of the light gold in there before I even lay in the black so the black doesn't take over. And you can see on the finished products of these, I mean, you can see the light gold shimmer and the gold metallic coming through on all of these. So I'm pretty happy. I just wanted to show you on each side there are two different ways of doing it, starting with the black on the outside or starting with the light gold shimmer in the middle first. Okay, so there's that black that I told you I did off camera. I filled in the coasters with all black as well. It just kind of gives it a nice finished look on the underneath, I think, too. Sorry, I was doing something with my camera there. That's why I hesitated. But look at the beautiful sparkle and the colors in here going on. I just love the cells that we got with that gold metallic. So sparkly. And these, I just can't get over how darling these are. I just love these so much. And I think even just doing like maybe some sort of gold or sparkly in the middle and just doing like a deep blue or something. I know you can see my face in there. I'm sorry. God, it's so weird. This one here, I don't know if I like put these down and like forgot to do my rim of gold or whatever, but I'm kind of going with it. I think it still looks kind of cool. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have these molds in stock. And again, they're 40% off right now with code MOLDS40, all caps, MOLDS40, 40, for 40% off all my molds right now. Again, I don't know when you're watching this video, so this sale may still be going on or it may not. But definitely get on over there, check out all the molds that I do have. I'm always trying to get a couple new ones in for you guys, keep things fresh. Look at how beautiful. Oh, God. I just love these. I just think they're awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Come find me on Instagram and TikTok at Dryer Days. Check out the video description for everything I used. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, which I really hope you did. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.